Bless the love, this is MV Corner. Big up on yourself worldwide. Now, before I even get started on what I want to talk about, I want to say big up to Francois from Fame FM for reaching out. You know, we spoke as grown people, and of course, I totally understand where Francois is coming from, and he totally understood where Mr. Vegas is coming from. You understand? Because at the end of the day, everyone must protect their brand. Mr. Vegas is a brand, Fame FM is a brand. You understand? But when respect goes both ways, people can find common ground. You understand what I say? And I want people to know that I was not trying to attack Fame FM yesterday with my post. In my post, I clearly stated the respect that I have for Fame FM and Arif Cooper and Colin Hines and these great DJs who work hard to make the station into what it is. I basically pointed out to the fact that Janice, with her E-Blaze, is the one who's trying to turn the station into a Butu station. Some things must just stay online. It's not every nastiness must go on radio. And I pointed out to the fact that Fame FM is a top radio station. Why should I be in my car at 6 o'clock in traffic listening to that nastiness that she was trying to tie me to? Now with that said, let me explain what happened yesterday. I was going about my merry way, and she called my phone. And she was like, "Hi Vegas, what's up with this new relationship with Subject? Congratulations." So I hung up the phone because I heard like giggling in the background. And I said, "Yo, this woman at home like she trying to clown me." When she called back. When she called back, I said, "Oh, I'm going through some hills. The signal is not good." And she went on and on again and was bigging me up on my relationship and all of these things. And I said, "Yeah, man." With giggling in the background and thing, I said, "Yeah, man. We are moving together. We are getting married. Yeah, man. Picnic on the way." But she asked if she can put me on E-Blaze. I said, "Bless up yourself." "Can I put you on E-Blaze? Can I put you on?" I said, "Bless up yourself, Janice." And I hung up my phone. But of course she called back. Because she already have her story or had her story. And she wanted to just add to her story that she was about to put on E-Blaze. Because whether people are asking why I didn't hang up the phone, whether I did that interview yesterday or not, she was about to put my name tied to Subject name on E-Blaze at 6 o'clock when people driving in traffic listening to the radio. So when she called back, her introduction was, maybe Subject was giving Gully Bop bun with dancehall superstar Mr. Vegas. Mr. Vegas. That me gone to? The dogs, 20 years, and is that me gone to? The dogs. So me become the clown of the industry. Everybody can take Mr. Vegas down preke. So of course she went on, and I had to put her in her place and let her know that I know everything on social media if I go on Fame FM. This is a big station, yeah. And put some respect for my name. Me is not no clown. 20 years me doing this. And whether you want to like it, yes or no, or whether you have my music of poor taste, yes or no, you can't erase the fact. Say, Headzai is a part of history. I Am Blessed is a part of history. Broke It Down is a part of history. Sweet Jamaica is a part of history. It's a part of the history of the music from Jamaica. The hit music from Jamaica. So don't try come go like you want to clown me and belittle me. And then you send your pit bulls on the internet to come at me. Like DJ Nico who points out to my music. Oh, it is of poor taste. But others find the taste to be great. That's why I'm still here. So when you're coming on my page attacking me and asking me why I didn't hang up the phone and all of these things and why I took the interview, of course, I took the interview. Because respect must due. And you have to put some people in a them place. Because if you don't stand up for yourself, nobody's going to stand up for you. Janice Young is somebody that have worked with Mr. Vegas as a publicist. Janice Young came around my family. She see how I live clean. She see Mr. Vegas as a godly youth. Me no live dirty life. Me no live dirty life. Me a clean, decent youth. We grow with my mother, we grow me good. Don't try nasty up my name and then go on like you want to come look sympathy from your friend them who come attack me on my page. And then you're going to send me some disrespectful message after you try to clown me and it backfire. You're going to send me disrespectful message to my phone and talking. And I even saw someone saying, I should apologize. For real? So be the clown and apologize. Yeah, man. That not gonna happen. Because I stand firm every time. I put my career on the line every time. Because I don't fall for everything. I stand firm. Nobody can clown me. And as Nikki Z said, I was right that they were trying to clown me. In her own words. They were actually listening and having a laugh. I was on speaker.
Talk about it. She had you on speaker. People in the office were there. They heard you say yeah. They heard you crack jokes. When I crack jokes to talk about yes, you're pregnant or whatever you want to say, or whatever you say. You know?
Yes, they had me on speaker. So I am the clown. How about that? So go and defend one I defend, and me I defend Mr. Vegas and Mr. Vegas brand. You call me to ask about an interview and you have me on speaker. Because me are the clown. Big up on yourself. MV Corner. God alone. Father God love that bubbling over. Father God me from the wicked them over. Only one them we are walk them over. Only one them we are commit murder. I got alone. I got alone. I got alone. Never believe it. No, 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 no. I got alone. I got alone. I got alone. Never believe it. No, 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 no. I got alone. I got alone. I got alone. You don't know in the wicked them over. I got alone. I got alone. I got the person of the other king. They don't know what they know. What a hand from a cat yourself. Give your hand to the yourself. I'll be the king and the evil and the devil. Get me wet. Me no matter what they must say. Come here. I want to them. Can't get rid of me. God alone. That is of great taste. Remember me tell you, album July 29.
In the interest of fairness, this was Mr. Vegas' response to the old Fame FM Amari rumor relationship saga. I said that according to Fame FM side of the story, they contacted Mr. Vegas and told him that they were going to ask him about the Amari relationship rumors. I also made it clear that I did not get Mr. Vegas' side of the story, but I said from the radio announcer Janice's tone of voice, it sounded as if she wanted to run with the rumors, even though she knew that Amari is a liar and not a credible source. You have some people who are petty and dunce as fuck and want to come on my channel and nitpick and analyze and interpret what I have to say and draw their own conclusion, regardless of what I say. They don't listen, or even if they do not comprehend, or maybe they just want someone to argue with or something to argue about. Let's get one thing very clear. This is not that channel where you can come and talk fuckery and we go back and forth. I do not get caught up in that kind of buffoonery. I am not on Mr. Vegas or Fame FM's payroll, so for me to take side would be senseless. When I uploaded that first video, the disclaimer said that it was Fame FM's side of the story and I did not get Mr. Vegas' side of the story. Now that I have Mr. Vegas' side of the story, I did the fair thing and uploaded it. Whoever chose to ignore the disclaimer or cannot comprehend, I am not your teacher or your parent or here to spoon feed you common sense. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.